Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's approximately, I think, about 6:30, quarter to 7 in the morning. We are heading over to the house to get phase 1 started. All of that noise you hear is all of the vehicles leaving this apartment complex where we are right now. But I'm just logging on real quick to show you our first day going to the home. In about an hour and a half, we'll have our own project management team at the home starting to make it our own. We have painters coming today. The security system people are coming today. Cabinetry. One or two folks to talk about the small change we want to make to the kitchen cabinets. Someone is coming in order to do the new blinds or drapes. So as you can see, we're up early. We're getting it started in order to start transforming the home into our forever house, or transferring the house, I should say, into our forever home. So I am simply gonna log off right now, but I'll come back and show you some of the details going on when we start cleaning. I'm trying to get into my car. When we start cleaning this morning. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm back. I have my mask on because we have people who are coming to the house today. We just arrived at the house. I'm walking around to see what I'm going to start cleaning first. We already have the ADT person here, so we'll be getting the security camera system set up today. Soon the painters will arrive. I'll share a little bit of that with you. I also have someone that's coming today to look at kitchen cabinets and one or two other items. So I respect people's privacy, so I'm not going to try to capture any of the technicians or anything doing the actual work. Not too much of it. I'll show just a little bit of it because some people don't like to be on YouTube or on the internet, and so I just want to respect their privacy and not film and record all of that if that's not they want, but if that's not what they want. But for sure, you know, I'll capture little snippets of it to share that with you, so you will at least see the work that we're doing to transform this house into our home. So I'll come back to you soon and share a little bit of that with you as well. Thank you for logging on to Freddie King's Home Decor, and welcome to our new home. Come on in. We call this King's Casa. Today we have project management in full effect, and the project manager is none other than yours truly. This first delivery is from Hudson's Furniture. We went to Hudson's Furniture in Altamonte Springs. Very nice retail company. They were able to deliver a desk that definitely will work for us. And as you can see, we have two technicians here today assembling the desk, putting everything together to make it just right for our home office. And next up is Safestreets, an authorized dealer of ADT security. You'll see the technician at the front door installing our security camera systems, Ring doorbell, to include taking an assessment all over the house to see what other devices we may need. Budget Blinds is here. From this company, we're receiving the cellular or honeycomb shades to include the vertiglides. So we're just getting the measurements taken for those as well. And if you look through the window on the far or back side of the pool by the bamboo, you'll see Massey technician. Massey Services is here today. They're here to check out the irrigation system, pest control, termite control, lawn care, to get all of those services started, up and running, so that we can also transform the yard. Our first day here was even more complete as we received this special delivery from the prior owners. Thank you very much to the Rodriguez family. Thanks again for logging on to Freddie King's Home Decor, where we are transitioning this Greek-inspired home into our sanctuary. Stay tuned for more videos showing part 2 of project management in full effect. Bye-bye.